It's workbook page 121. So I've got the work together worksheet, workbook page 121, and we've got the work together for the section review. We've got our accounts, and our account balances are debit and credit. And if you look at the page right before that, on page 154, you can see the list of accounts and the debits and credits for the trial balances. And basically for this, all we're going to do is just take these numbers, put them on the worksheet, and we're going to list them in the same places that they are here on the example. So the first thing, whatever order you want to do this in, the easiest way to do it is just start at the top. So here in the header, we've got the name of the business, Golden Tan. And then the worksheet, because that's what this is. And then in the top of the instructions it says February 8th. So right here on the top for month ended. February 28th. So you got your header filled in. Then we've got all of our account titles right here. So we'll just go ahead and fill. You can either go across for each one of those, or you can just go down and down, fill them in by row or column. Since I'm just copying it right out of the book, I'll just go right down. I'll go across. So it doesn't really make too much of a difference how you do it. So cash, we've got $9,800 debit. Remember, all these are going to go under the trial balance. The trial balance section. And we're just going to go right down. Then once we get all these filled in, just like on the example, on the other side we'll do a totals for both columns. See in the example, both columns should total up equally.
Is that 2785 on the bottom?
2795.
Is that 9,800 at the top?
Yeah, it's 9,800. Yeah, it's not the most high quality camera. Okay, my supplies, $456. Prepaid insurance, $750. Okay, now we get down to the accounts payable, where I've gotten to, and we're going to put this in the credit column. So our accounts payable. Gary Baldwin Capital. So I'll stop for a second in case anybody needs to check to see if you're on the right path there. Start here with the drawing for Gary.
That one that's in credit, is that for 555?
Yeah, that's 555. I'll try to slow down, so maybe I'll write a little bit neater. Let's see. Gary Baldwin.
For supplies, is that 456?
Yes, it's 456. Drawings. So like I said, I hate using pen because if I make a mistake then it's hard to fix. So hopefully I used the pen so everybody can see better, but I made a mistake. So if you're using a pencil, easier for you to fix than me. So I had the 3400, I just looked at the wrong line. The 3400 should go for the drawing. And then looking back at the book, the capital was $14,885. That's going to go on the credit on where I had made the mistake.
It goes in credit?
Yeah, that's going to go in credit. Capital, drawing. We've got income summary, and we're going to leave that blank. After we write an income summary, there's no amount for that one yet. So nothing's going to go here. We've got our sales, and sales is going to get a credit of $43.20. That. We got the advertising expense, $931. That. But our insurance expense, we don't have an amount for that yet, so we'll leave that one blank, so no credit or debit for insurance expense, but we'll still write the line in here. We got miscellaneous expense, $378 debit. Supplies expense, no numbers for that one, so we'll leave that one blank. We'll still add the line. Then our last one, utilities for 1,100 debit. Utilities expense. I'll stop there, see if anybody needs to get caught up, or come and take a look at, get a closer look at that. Like I said, I know that's nearly impossible to read. Get the calculator.
Is that say 7:30 or 11:30 on advertising?
Yeah, that's 9:31 for advertising. This is 378. Okay, so at this point, just like you're looking at the example, it's going to add up. We're going to add up both columns. So add up both columns, and then this side, your debit side, should equal your credit side. Get those. I'm going to start with the credit side first.
It's 19,760.
So just like Denali said, it's 19,760 on the credit. So hopefully the debit adds up to the same. It should. Numbers came right out of the book. So in the accounting world, you want to make sure both numbers add up, but here we know they will. Unless we make a mistake keying in the number. $19,760. So with these two columns, we're not going to do anything more with these. So these two columns are done. So put the double lines underneath of it to show that those columns are done. So those are what you should have so far. Hopefully yours looks prettier than mine. So now you've got that done, go ahead and do the on your own on the other side. So you've got, obviously you've got your example here that you just did. Hopefully you can match this up with the example here on the book on page 154. Now keep a hold of this, get that finished up, and then Monday we'll do section 3. and add more to it.